In this video, we're going to explore some exponential functions using the Desmos graphing calculator. I want you to make sure and follow along with me as I go. Don't just watch what I'm doing. Also follow these steps yourself. So first thing we're going to do is click on the Desmos link from my webpage to pull up the graphing calculator. Okay, now we want to hide the keypad that's over here on the left. Click this little arrow and just get rid of that video there. We don't need that. Alright, now first thing we're going to do is take a look at a linear function. So I'm going to type in y equals mx plus b. Notice it gives me the option to add sliders. Go ahead and click on all. And now we have a slider for m. Should be no surprise what that does. It changes the slope of the line. I have some negative slopes, some positive slopes. And also b. Shouldn't be any surprise what that does either. That changes the y-intercept. Look at it move up and down. Okay, play around with that for a minute if you want. But what we want to look at today is exponential functions. So we're going to go to New Blank Graph up here at the top. Click on that. And we want y equals a, open parentheses, b, and we want to make the exponent x. To do that, you're going to hit Shift 6. That gives you an exponent, and you can make it x. Okay, now we want sliders for a and b. Go ahead and click on all. And play around with them, see what they do. A moves that up and down. Okay, interesting. And B, gives us a nice curve here. Some decreasing curves, some increasing curves. Now, one thing to notice is once B gets smaller than 0, it's not doing anything anymore. Okay, so if we want to get rid of those negatives there, you can click on the number 10 right here. And we want B to be anywhere from 0 to, let's say, 4. And we want to make our interval pretty small, so make that 0.05 and click Set. Okay, now when you play around with B, it's going to give us some better looking graphs. Okay. Alright, now what I want you to do is just play around with B, decide if there are any interesting points in there, and when you're finished with that, one last thing we want to do is click on the plus here, and we're going to create a table. Okay, now to generate the table for us, we have to make this y f of x. We're saying that whatever we type in for x, we want you to make this column f of x. Okay, now up here we have to change this y to also say f of x if we want it to generate the table for us. Notice it automatically did. Now if I click down here in my table, in the second row, and put a 2, it's going to tell me what f of x is for 2. And same for 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, notice my numbers are getting bigger, 2, 4, 7, 12, 21. Alright, what happens if I make my b bigger? The numbers are getting bigger faster, aren't they? 4, 13, 36, 99, 273. Okay, so play around with different values of b, see how the table changes. Play around with different values for a, and see how the table changes. Okay, some are decreasing, some are increasing. Alright. Now, once you're done playing around, I do want you to do one more thing. Just to show me what you've done here, I want you to go ahead and click over here on the right, share this graph, highlight the link, Control-C to copy it, go back over to my web page, and right here in this first comment it says reply to this comment with a link to your graphs. Click reply, and Control-V to paste in your link, and then just click post. Now you want to put your name on your post so I know that it was you, and then once I have that, I can go ahead and right click on the link, open link in a new tab, and there I'll have your graphs. So I can see if there were any interesting things that you did with yours that maybe I didn't do with mine. Okay, that's it.